Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Please do not mind the background noise. Ukwenza okuhle is also one of the victims to be, right? Buza ukuthi why. Now his toothbrush has been taken as a tool that is going to be used on this DNA test, right? But because Unjengaye is silent and mistreating Uvusi is nervous and is thinking of something else. Even though Uqina knows ukuthi kunendaba ye-paternity ehambayo, akukwazi ukuyitshela Uvusi because she cannot be the one breaking the news to Uvusi. But she is pushing this thing Uvusi ukuthi khumbula ukuthi ubaba ngathi akakuthandisisi kahle, and therefore you must make a plan one way or the other. You must make sure ukuthi uthola something out of this whole thing. Now Uvusi has a way of embezzling money from his father's business. Question is, how long will this last? And it looks like bazoyisebenzisa igama lika Gqina. Will this be another excuse for Ugqina to be thrown out of the family again? And will Uvusi side with her, or will she be an scapegoat for Uvusi? Personally, I think it's a bad idea for her to allow Uvusi to use her name. Usibongile uzoyenzelwa imemulo. Buza ukuthi why. It's because Mamsamge wants to have a closer relationship with her because they had a fallout. Remember when Ugel was fighting ukuthi ubulala umama akhe nan. And then vele the idea she received it from Unomfundo, but makayipresenta ku Sibongile uyipresente ngathi manje yakhe idea yena bekayibounce nobaba wakhona. Hayi vele idea izohamba. The question now is that will this sula everything that Usamke has ever done? And now that Phetheni vele ifamily yakhe yashabalala, will this make Usamke be at peace and be happy? Into engichazayo ukuthi for once Unomfundo usociety la kaPhetheni and understands Phetheni's pain. Maybe her losing Ugailo opened her eyes, I don't know, but she seems to be like understanding and on Phetheni's side. While Uvelepi is continuing with her business, and her business is definitely going to flourish. Ugirl nje ugqoka i-makeup enye, hey usexy nje every time makaya kulo msebenzi wakhe wokucleaner. But ubhuti wakhe uSangweni is getting out of order to an extent yokuthi ubaba wakhe uvuma wabona ukuthi alande umalume phela ukuthi umalume azomkhuza, because every time makakhuza he is reminded ukuthi he is not their biological father. Aisha umalume wangayithathi kahle lo muntu makakhuluma ngokuzala kungazali. Hey wambhaqabula man. Hey wambhaqabula strong wathi nje mntanami ithi ngikufake elayinini. I hope ukuthi uzongena uSangweni elayinini or uzogcina ayiphara. But now the helpers had a bet ngayo yonke lento yabo Vusi nabo bani ngithi bathi ukuthi uTeam Vusi mina nguTeam bani. Wena in the paternity test, who do you think will be the child yaga Sibalikhulu, and who do you think will not be the child yaga Sibalikhulu? Asibhejeni.